Okay, so extensions confirmed URI handler extensions IDs. So this setting controls when an extension doesn't require a confirmation prompt. So when an extension is listed here, a confirmation prompt will not be shown when that extension handles a URI. So some extensions want to open links for any number of reasons, and usually what happens is that VS Code gives you a prompt to either accept or reject that the opening of that link. But sometimes that hurts a particular workflow. So if you want the extension to just immediately open the link without the confirmation prompt, you add that extension here, and it won't prompt you again. It will just open. I don't have any extensions that do that. Haven't really bumped into that use case yet. If I do, I'll update this video in the future.